Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain delete trigger. So let's start with instead of. So let's see the definition. It will perform check before delete statement whether raw should be deleted or not. So let's start with instead of delete. So instead of delete, what will happen? Instead of performing the delete operation, trigger will execute. Okay. So let's see this example. So I think I might have created this trigger. So let me drop this trigger first. So trigger got dropped. So I'm going to create instead of delete trigger. So in the previous videos I have created a instead of insert and then after insert. Now here create trigger name on employee either instead of or after. So here I am using instead of, then delete as begin. Okay, now I declared id and I am taking select id name from this deleted table. So what is deleted table? So when we create a trigger on any table using delete DML statement, what will happen whenever we delete the table, whenever we delete the data from that table, that deleted data will be insert in that deleted data will be insert in deleted table. Okay, by default. So this thing will be done by SQL Server database engine. So in the trigger statement I will capture id from deleted statement. Okay, if id not in 1 2 delete, but if and I have just applied the condition because I don't want to delete id 1 2, except id 1 2 I want to delete any other thing. So I just written here if id not in 1 2, then delete from employee where id is equal to id. If id is in 1 2 means else throw this error cannot delete this id. That's it. Means the my task is here, if I am deleting id except 1 or 2, then I should be able to delete, but I should not be able to delete id 1 2. This is my task. Okay, I just got this task to write to make a one process in SQL where I should not delete this particular id, but I should be able to delete some other id. That's all. So this task we can accomplish using trigger. So I just created a trigger and instead of trigger, so instead of trigger what it will do, it will not delete the data directly using delete statement. It will execute trigger instead of deleting this data, and inside trigger we will delete, and in that trigger only we will apply the condition if id in 1 2, then if id not in 1 2, then it should delete. If it is in 1 2 means in else statement it should throw error and it should not delete. So let's execute this. So I created, now I am passing 1, it should not delete. So we can see we got the error cannot delete this id. So it is throwing this error cannot delete this id, but instead of 1 let's pass 34. It must delete the data. We can see it's deleted the data. So this is how we can create instead of delete in SQL Server, and we can accomplish this example task or related to any other task. Thank you.